Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. Today we are going to prove that 2x plus 1 over 3y minus 2 equals with 3x minus 5 over 2y plus 3. How we are going to prove that? By finding x and y integers values. First, we have to impose for denominators the following conditions. 2y minus 2 different of 0 and 2y plus 3 different of 0. Now we bring the equation to the same denominator and discard it. In this case, the equations becomes 2x plus 1 multiply with 2y plus 3. Basically, I'm going to do a multiplication between the extremes. Equals with 3x minus 5, round parenthesis, 3y minus 2. In here results that 4xy plus 6x plus 2y plus 3 equals with 9xy minus 6x minus 15y plus 10. Yes? Practically, I remove the brackets from here. Now we move all the terms to the left side of the equal. Basically, I'm going to resolve it like a usual equation. We have minus 5xy plus 12x plus 17y minus 7 equals 0. This one I'm going to multiply with minus 1. And we have 5x y minus 12x minus 17y plus 7 equals 0. Common factor x, 5y minus 12 minus 17y equals with 0. I'm going to multiply this one with 5. And furthermore, I have 5x 5y minus 12 minus 105y equals with 0. Common factor 5x multiplied with 5y minus 12 minus 17 multiplied with 5y minus 12 equals with minus 204. Now I'm going to use again common factor. I'm going to factorize 5y minus 12 multiplied with 5x minus 17, which is equals with minus 204. Now we have several cases. Case 1, when 5x minus 17 equals 1 and 5y minus 12 equals with minus 204. Results that x equals with 18 over 5 and y equals with minus 192 over 5. Both of the numbers, yes, doesn't meet the initial conditions. And I go furthermore in this case. I'm going to have the second case. 5x minus 17 equals minus 1 and 5y minus 12 equals with 204. Results that x equals with 16 over 5 and y equals with 216 over 5. Also doesn't meet the required conditions. The third case, 5x minus 17 equals with 2. 5y minus 12 equals with minus 102. Results also x equals with 19 over 5 and y equals minus 18. Also, those one doesn't meet the required conditions. And the last case, 5x minus 17 equals with minus 2. And 5y minus 12 equals with 102. Results that x equals 3 and y in this case equals with 114 over 5. Also, this one doesn't meet the required condition. Finally, we can say that our initial equation doesn't have solutions for x and y integers numbers. That's it for today. If you understood this exercise, hit the subscribe button and come back tomorrow for more practice math problems. Thank you.